3 things you need to consider to start your membership site. Starting a membership site can be one of the most exciting online income tools that you can use to make passive income. You can use a membership site in just about any niche you can think of. When it comes to the online world, simplicity and quick action are essential. Until you test your idea, you will never know if it is viable. So, you want to opt for rolling something out and improving upon it as you go. Here are 3 things to consider when starting a membership site. Use password-protected pages. To keep things simple as you get your site established, use password-protected pages. WordPress makes this extremely easy to do. Having password-protected pages allows you to provide the same password to everyone in an automatic email after they've subscribed. This way, you don't have to come up with separate passwords for each member that subscribes to your site, leaving you with more time to create the content for your newly subscribed members. Use the PayPal subscription button. PayPal has a handy feature that will allow you to set up add to cart buttons that will automatically charge your customers for you on a monthly basis. All you need to do is set up the parameters for the payments and let PayPal do the rest. This is an excellent option because you get your payments instantly and can utilize the money any way you want. Use an autoresponder service. Using an autoresponder service will allow you to provide content regularly, a little bit at a time. It can provide a way for you to keep your customers with you through the entire length of service that they've signed up for. You can set up each email to contain a description of that week's content and a link to the web page where your content is set up. You can set up the service to email your members every 7 days from the day they originally signed up. Creating a successful membership site will take some upfront time and work to get it ready to roll out. However, once everything is established, you'll get to sit back and enjoy a substantial flow of monthly passive income.